Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI, and if you're looking for a comfortable throw blanket, look no further. So I was on the hunt for a comfortable blanket, and this fleece blanket from Bedsure just caught my eye. I love it so much. It's super comfortable. The material is so nice. I love the black color. I got the size 58 by 60 as I just wanted a really small blanket. I'm only 5'2", so I didn't need something big, but I also wanted it to be portable. You know, I wanted to use it in different various locations of my house. Clearly my dog agrees that it is very comfortable, as she has tried to steal this from me many times. But originally I got it because I like to sit in my bed and read, and I don't want to have to get under my covers. I don't want to have to unmake the bed. I just want something easy to just put over me, and this blanket is it. This blanket is so comfortable. You're gonna love it, but that's just my point of view.